That spillage is the one that is causing the flooding downstream, which is expected. And because of that, we actually have an emergency preparedness plan in place that we have instigated and then started rolling out our mitigation measures. Part of the mitigation measures is to move people from the flooded areas into safe havens. That is ongoing. So we are monitoring the levels of the flood, the levels of the height, and where we get to and we think there's a need to evacuate persons. That's what we are doing. We are also providing relief services to these people. We have food items, blankets, water that may be required. So VRA is doing it best, especially in collaboration with NADMO, who are also collaborating with us in this work, the military, the police, and all the state agencies, including the district assemblies. We are here just to ensure that lives are saved. At this time, we are thinking about lives. Properties are important, but properties can always be restored, but we cannot restore life. So at this juncture, what we are interested in is moving the people from the danger zone and taking them to the safe havens and providing the necessary relief items so that once the water level starts coming down, they will know what to do.